Hi, this is Joe with Vortex Optics, here today to talk to you about our Vortex Solo Monocular. The Vortex Solo Monocular comes in several different sizes, an 8 and 10 by 36, I have the 8 by 36 here in my hands, as well as an 8 and 10 by 25. So let's take a minute and walk you through the features and benefits of this sweet little optic. Alright, we're going to walk you through the Vortex Solo Monocular right now. I'm going to walk you through the 36mm here, which has the utility clip, and I've got the 25mm here for reference. The first thing you're going to notice is that these are very small and lightweight. They come in at under 5 inches and both of them are under 10 ounces. So starting at the front of the Solo, all the optics are fully multi-coated, which just means you're increasing the light transmission as well as the resolution, giving you those clear, crisp images that you're looking for. They are fully rubber armored, which means they're extremely durable. There's also no alignment issues that you have to worry about. In a binocular, you've got 2 barrels, whereas in the Solo, you just have 1. Internally, they are nitrogen purged and O-ring sealed, which means they're waterproof and fog proof. Again, on the 36mm, we have this unique utility clip, which makes it extremely versatile. On the sides here, you've got a spot for a lanyard, which does come with the Solo. And we've got the focus wheel here, and then we have a twist and lock eye cup on the top here. So if you had eyeglasses, you'd have it in the down position as you're seeing here, or if you didn't have eyeglasses, you'd have it twisted back. All right, that's going to cover it for the Vortex Solo Monocular. If you're looking for a small, lightweight, versatile optic for your next adventure, I strongly urge you head down to your local Vortex authorized dealer and check out one of these today. As with all of our monoculars, the Solo comes standard with our VIP warranty, which is our unlimited, unconditional, lifetime guarantee.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today we're going to check out a really cool, super compact monocular called the CloseUp. The CloseUp is an ultra-portable, 6-power monocular that has the unique ability to focus on things as close as 10 inches away. The lenses on the CloseUp are fully coated. A fully coated lens helps with light transmission, allowing for better performance in low light situations. It also helps reduce glare and makes for a really clear image. If you're going hiking or just going for a walk, you're most likely going to want to pack light. The CloseUp weighs less than 2 ounces and will allow you to see all the cool things nature has to offer up close. But it's also like carrying around a portable field microscope. We've included a wrist strap to prevent you from dropping the device. We've also included a carrying case for added protection. With the CloseUp, you can now explore the outdoors up close and far away. It's the perfect all-in-one portable monocular.
Hey, I'm Jimmy over at Vortex Optics, here to introduce you to our Solo Recon Tactical Monocular, which is offered in an 8 by 36 configuration. So let's take a closer look at the Solo Recon Tactical and see some of the features that make it such a great choice for observation and range estimation. Starting with the lenses of the monocular, the Solo RT's lenses are fully multi-coated with non-reflective coatings added, which provide excellent light gathering capability in low light situations. The monocular is O-ring sealed and nitrogen purged, making the Solo RT waterproof and fog-proof. The monocular comes complete with textured rubber armor for added grip and durability. Another really nice feature of the Solo RT is that it comes complete with the utility clip on the back, which clips easily to a vest or belt for quick field access. We also have 2 different focusing mechanisms. The larger ring focuses the image, while the smaller ring allows the observer to properly focus the reticle for their eye for optimal target milling capability. And last but not least, the rubber eye cup is flared to block out stray light and can rotate to either side to fit right or left eye dominant observers. The eye cup can also fold down depending on what the observer prefers to have for eye relief. So if you're a tactical operator or maybe a long-range hunter who needs excellent optical quality and range estimation capabilities in a lightweight, compact package, the Solo RT monocular would be my recommendation to you. And should you choose to purchase the Solo RT, or any of our monoculars for that matter, you can rest assured in knowing that it is covered by our unlimited, unconditional, lifetime VIP warranty.